Hey restoration fans, welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna try to restore this acid stained aluminum plaque. So stay tuned. Before I get started, I wanna let you know how this happened. Today I was washing my truck and I went ahead and sprayed an acid-based degreaser all over the backside, and bam, this is what the results were. I didn't realize it was gonna damage the tailgate part of my truck and leave it stained, so I need to find a solution. This is what makes the entire truck, believe it or not, so if I don't find a solution for it, I'm gonna be in some trouble. Therefore, I think I have something that may work. Let's get it on and see what happens. Now, as you can see from here to here, there is a huge difference. And I think this product is gonna do its trick. So I'm gonna continue with the rest of it. And I think this is where you'll get the better view of how it's gonna change from looking like that to looking like that. This aluminum plaque went from looking whack to looking great. It no longer looks as if it's stained. Yes, of course, it has some wear and tear, but that was part of it. So I'm really happy with the results. Let me show you the product that I used to get this tailgate looking good once again. It's called Heavy Metal Polish by Chemical Guys. As you can see, it did some really good work on it. If you guys have something similar and you need to restore some metal, there you have it firsthand. This is a very good product to purchase and give it a try before you do something drastic like spend money on new metal or new tailgates or whatever you may be working on. The product worked like a charm. If you liked today's video and you got some use out of it, do me a favor and hit the like button. If you want to keep up with this build, make sure you hit subscribe. I got some really cool things coming up, like a lift kit, bigger tires, big wheels, and also we're giving it a fresh paint job. Guys, as always, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for watching and have a great one.